Hello students, welcome to EduPom India. You're watching Expert Chemistry with Abhinav Gaur. The topic of the day is haloalkanes and haloarenes. We will start this topic by understanding the basic difference between haloalkanes and haloarenes. So, let me remind you of a concept. For example, we have a single bond present between two carbons, we have a double bond present between two carbons, and we have a triple bond present between two carbon atoms. Then in case number 1, the hybridization of carbon number 1 and carbon number 2 will be sp3. That means in this case both carbon will be sp3 hybridized. Whereas in second case, the hybridization of first carbon and the hybridization of second carbon both will be sp2 hybridized. In case number 3, when we have triple bond present, then the hybridization of first carbon and the second carbon both will be sp hybridized. So now let us understand the definition of haloalkane and haloarene. But first, understand what is the meaning of this halo, which is present in both haloalkane and haloarene. Halo is common, which represent halogen. Halo means halogen. What are halogens? These are the elements. These are the elements of group number 17 of the periodic table. It includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Now, whenever we represent this halo, we use the symbol X, where X represent chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Chlorine, bromine, and iodine are three mainly found halogens in case of haloalkane and haloarene. Now let us understand the definition of haloalkane and haloarene. First, we will talk about haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. In case of haloalkanes, the halogen atom is associated to a carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. Whereas if we talk about the haloarenes, then in case of haloarenes, the halogen atom is associated to a carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. So students, as I already said, that if carbon-carbon single bond is present, then the hybridization is sp3. So for this carbon to be sp3 hybridized, it should be attached to a carbon atom or a carbon chain by means of a single bond. यहाँ पर सिंगल बॉन्ड ही प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए, डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट नहीं होना चाहिए. So we also define haloalkanes as the organic compounds where halogen atom is associated to a sp3 hybridized carbon of a carbon chain. किसका कार्बन होना चाहिए? कार्बन चेन का कार्बन होना चाहिए. और कैसा कार्बन होना चाहिए? sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड होना चाहिए. Whereas अगर बात करें इस वाले कार्बन की, for this carbon to be sp2 hybridized, it must be associated to another carbon atom by means of a double bond. यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए, तभी इस कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp2 होगा. So we define haloarenes as the organic compounds in which halogen atom is associated to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a ring. किसका कार्बन? रिंग का कार्बन. और कैसा कार्बन? sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन. तो अगर आपने ये डेफिनेशंस नहीं लिखी हैं तो मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूं. इन केस ऑफ haloalkanes, the halogen atom is associated to a sp3 hybridized carbon of a carbon chain, whereas in case of haloarene, the halogen atom is associated to a sp2 hybridized carbon of a ring. इसका एग्जांपल मैं आपको दे रहा हूं. जैसे आपके पास है CH3Cl, मिथाइल क्लोराइड अगर आपके पास है तो वो हो गया आपका हेलोएल्केन. इसका एग्जांपल मैं आपको दे रहा हूं, अगर आपके पास बेंजाइल क्लोराइड है, दिस इज अ बेंजीन रिंग एंड यहाँ पर एसोसिएटेड है क्लोरीन. तो बेंजाइल क्लोराइड इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ हेलोअरीन. So this is the basic difference between haloalkane and haloarine, and now we will study the classification of haloalkane and haloarine. Thank you.